In this video, we're diving into one of the most fascinating tools in technical analysis, the Gann Box. W.D. Gann was known for using unique geometrical and numerical relationships to understand how markets move, and the Gann Box, along with the Gann fan and the Gann square, is one of the powerful tools he left behind. Traders use it to measure recurring price and time cycles, and when used correctly, it can almost feel like having a roadmap for the market. When you place a Gann box on a chart, you're essentially defining a time range and a price range that you believe will repeat. The box divides both the price and the time axis into equal partitions, creating levels that help traders anticipate future reactions. It's always drawn from a major pivot, whether that pivot is a high or a low. But before using it, there's a crucial rule to keep in mind. The chart must be scaled properly so that 1 unit of price equals 1 unit of time. Without this square relationship, the tool loses its accuracy. That if you're unsure how to scale a market correctly, there's a simple method. Look at the distance between two major tops or between two major bottoms. Measure the price difference and divide it by the number of time units it took the market to move from one top to the next or from one bottom to the next. This gives you the correct price-to-time ratio for that specific market. Once the scale is set, users can define exact price and time levels depending on their individual strategy. The Gann box works across all markets and can be used with or without angle tools. Some traders use it alone, while others combine it with additional indicators or price action techniques to identify potential turning points. When you open the style settings of the Gann box, you can customize the entire appearance. You'll see options for price levels and time levels, where you can toggle each line on or off and adjust the color and transparency. You can choose whether you want labels on the left, right, top, or bottom, each showing the value of the level it represents. You can adjust the opacity of the background sections between the levels or activate the Use One Color option if you prefer a clean, unified look. The Angles section lets you turn on all of the corner rays that extend from the box, and the reverse option instantly flips the drawing diagonally around its main anchor points. Next, in the coordinate settings, you can position the Gann box with complete accuracy. You can type in the exact bar numbers and price levels for the first point and second point, ensuring the box sits precisely where you want it to be. This is especially useful for traders who rely on exact mathematical placement instead of manual dragging. Finally, the visibility section gives you full control over where the Gann box appears. You can decide whether it should show up on certain intraday timeframes or only on higher timeframes. If you switch from a daily chart to a 1-minute chart, trading can get messy unless you choose which drawings stay visible. With visibility settings, you can make sure your Gann box only appears where it's actually useful. And that's the full breakdown of the Gann box in TradingView. Whether you're forecasting future price levels, identifying timing cycles, or combining it with angles, this tool can add structure and logic to your market analysis when used correctly. If you enjoyed this explanation and want more TradingView or technical analysis tutorials, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and stick around for more trading insights.